Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Palak Paneer is one of the most popular paneer dishes. Indian cottage cheese in smooth, creamy, delicious spinach gravy. It's a simple recipe, but the key is not to have the raw taste of spinach and yet retain that lush green color. And I'm also giving you an awesome substitute for people who don't want to use cream. So stick on and watch the video without missing out on any tips. If you want to see more such videos, do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any video. Without further ado, let's get cooking. Spinach is a superfood and an amazing source of fiber and protein. The base of Palak Paneer is a puree of spinach. So let's make that first. We need to blanch the spinach. I have kept some water to boil. To this I am adding in some washed palak leaves. I have taken about 300 grams of spinach. Now you can see that the spinach starts to wilt in a minute or so. Drain and immediately transfer to chilled water. I am just adding some ice cubes to cold water. This will stop and arrest the cooking further. This is immensely important step to retain its color and nutrients. So let's set this aside. You can puree at this stage too, but I feel it's too bland using this method. Obviously there are different ways to prepare Palak Paneer. These are all the ingredients you'll need for the paste. Now let's saute them all. To a pan, add in some oil. To this add cashew, garlic pods, ginger, green chilies, and chopped onion. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Now add in chopped tomato, to this I am adding some salt so that they cook faster. Saute for a minute until they turn soft. Turn off the heat, allow it to cool completely and transfer to a blender. Make sure to completely cool down and blend, otherwise it might spill out of the blender and be all over the place. It has happened to me quite a few times, so better be careful. Now let's drain out the spinach. Add the spinach to the blender. To this I am adding half a cup of water which helps in grinding finer. Blend to a very smooth paste, or you could leave it slightly coarse too, which is what I like to do. This is the consistency I like, but you can also go ahead and grind it further to a smoother paste. Now let's prepare the tadka. Add oil, butter or ghee to a pan as per your preference. I am using oil. To this add cumin seeds and a few dry red chillies. Once these get lightly toasted, add in some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Give it all a nice mix for a few seconds so that they get lightly toasted in oil, but make sure not to burn them. Now it's time to add the palak puree. We need to adjust the consistency with some water. So I'm adding in some water. Give it all a nice mix. In a minute or two, it starts to boil. Spinach are green leafy vegetables that are naturally salted in flavor, so make sure to keep a check while adding salt. Add in required salt to your taste. You want to make sure to continuously stir now, otherwise it will spill all over the place. Now add in some powdered garam masala, give it all a nice mix. So in total, make sure not to cook more than 3 to 4 minutes after adding palak puree. This way it will retain the color and the nutrients. It's time to add in the paneer cubes. There's no fixed ratio of spinach to paneer as such, so you can use as much or as less as you want. You can also lightly shallow fry paneer in little oil until light golden brown and then add. But especially for palak paneer, I like that soft broken paneer mixed with palak, so I like to add raw paneer. Now gently fold in the gravy to cover the paneer and turn off the heat. Be very careful at this stage, otherwise the paneer might disintegrate. At this stage you can optionally add some cream or butter, but I figured out a way to actually replace cream. Take about 2 to 3 paneer cubes, add 2 tablespoons of milk and mash well until you get a smooth and silky texture. Trust me, this works so well and also gives that palak paneer a well-balanced, rounded taste. Yummy palak paneer is ready to be served with roti, naan, paratha or jeera rice. If you enjoy my videos, do like, share and subscribe. That was it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.